When you're teaching back handspring, the most important part is the vertical jump. So you want to set up a lot of drills to help them work the vertical jump. These are really low, but you can try to do it with straight legs on the lower ones. And then keep adding on to a higher and higher surface. If it's hard for them to get to, then they're going to try to do it with bent legs. But wherever you're at, the harder the surface, the harder it is to get up. The softer the surface, the easier it is to get up. So if you go onto a squishy porta pad, it's a little easier than onto that firm surface. And then this is a really hard one, very high. See if you can get up at all. Oh, right. And as that back handspring jump improves, it just makes their back handspring a whole lot easier. With the back handspring, you're going to use the arms and throw and jump at the same time. So you can start on a soft, low surface. So she tries to jump back as far as she can and land flat on her back. Now, when they get better at it, we're trying to clear their foot so it's further back. So she'll try it again and see if her feet can miss the edge of the mat and come all the way on it. Push. So that was a stronger jump because her feet went in a lot more. Good job! When they do jumps up to a higher mat, it's impossible to clear your feet off the edge, but you try to encourage them to get as far and as big as they can, working on the arm swing and the throw together. So she got all the way to her knees, which is really good for this high of a mat, and so that's all you stress, is trying to improve that and make it bigger and bigger.
Handstand strengthening is important, so they're just working on being strong in the landing of the back handspring, so you can work on drills for that. A good drill to work for the strength in landing a back handspring is to go towards a wall, hitting in the arch shape, and then you can do shoulder shrugs, try to work on being strong here. You also want to make sure you can do a bridge with your feet up at this height or even a little bit higher. Make sure that they are strong enough to support their body weight. When working over the barrel, you have to make sure that it's the appropriate height. As you can see by the small one, she jumps over, she could pass it or not make it, or she has to bend her knees just to get over the top because it's too low. So the next boulder, which is a lot more the right height, she has to work on her jump and keep her hips open, and that helps her actually feel the correct back handspring. So this lower barrel is not a good height for them and isn't very safe because they can jump hard and clear the barrel and land on their head. If you try it over this one,
When the back handspring jump is weak, you want to start on a soft surface with an incline so it helps the jump. So they have to get their jump stronger, but this is to at least allow them to work the second part of it safely and not land on their head. So if their jump is weak, that helps them get over and not land on their head. But still work the jump drills at the exact same time so they can get that strength and make it over safely.